Hi guys, good morning. I am now at the Grand Manila Hotel in Doroteo Jose. And guess why I am here? It's because I attended a 3-day seminar for reading intervention in Phil-Erie. Of course, at first, parang ayoko sanang umattend dahil kinakabahan ako. But then, I have to. Kasi ang tawag nila sa amin, alay. It's okay, ma'am. Yan po mga co-participants ko. Prepare po kami ngayon kasi 8 o'clock start na ulit yung last day namin ngayon. Miss ko na umuwi. Miss ko na rin yung aking classroom. And of course, miss ko rin yung aking family. First time ko pong mahiwalay ng 3 days sa pamilya ko. Asyete. Ay. Guys, so ito na po, nandito na po kami sa venue ng seminar. Breakfast po muna ako. Yun. Sorry, tatanggal ko na yung laman ng salted egg. Then, tocino, pansit canton, a slice of bangus, and yun, rice, then egg soup, and then for dessert, orange, and then nag-water lang po ako kasi maya-maya po ang juice namin. Yun po, kain po muna tayo. Hello. Katatapos lang po namin mag-lunch. Ayan po. Ay. Then, inaantay po namin yung 1 o'clock para i-present po namin ang ginawa naming work action plan. Mga gamit po namin mga naka-ready na dahil uuwi na po kami mamaya-maya because this is already our last day of seminar. Yan po yung aking mga co-participants. So, presentation na po namin ang aming
Teachers will
mga work
integrate questioning as part of formative assessment activities. Example po, think, first, share, reading reflections, to inform instructions and improve literacy outcome. Domain 5, assessment and reporting. To equip teachers with the skills to use questioning as on.
Yan, we're done, guys.
1, 2, 3, smile. Exam number 1. Okay, please be seated for a while. Teaching with passion and leading with heart. Have a wonderful afternoon, everyone, and may we all continue to make a difference, one reader at a time. God bless us all.
Bye.
Mabuti ako doon.
Tingnan nyo guys. Gusto ko manalamin talaga dito sa may ano, elevator kasi ang payat kong tingnan. Diba? Yan. So, ayan. Nandito na kami sa hotel namin na... Ay, sorry po ba? Sa Manila Grand Hotel. So, yun po. Nandito na po kami lahat. Pauwi na po kami sa aming kanya-kanyang